Greetings everyone, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today I'll show you how to fix an app showing your device isn't compatible with this version when you download an application from the Play Store. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So the reason why this happens is that the phone that you're using, the Android version of that phone is way lower than the version that the application supports. So you cannot download the application from the Play Store. So what you have to do is you have to remember the name of the application you want to download. And after that, what you have to do is you have to come to Chrome. You have to search for the application that you want to download. In case I want to download, suppose Internshala APK. You have to type in the version of the Android device you're using, 6.0 supposedly. Then you have to open the app, then you have to open the site, the first site, and then you have to download the APK from here. You have to let the APK download. You have to allow by download anyway. Once it is downloaded, you have to go to open. You have to install. And once it's installed, you'll be good to go. See, it's installed and the scanning is going on and the application is with me. So you see, that's how you do it. So you see, that is how you can download an application you want to download, which shows that your device is not compatible with the version by following the steps that I showed you. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you. Now if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next one.